all night. Say it, I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Pamela here. You can tell that I'm very much excited. Guess who just hit 1,000 subscribers? Me, yeah, it's me. Guys, I was able to achieve this milestone because of your support, because of your love. Thank you guys so much for rooting for me. Okay, yeah. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a simple low sleek bun. Okay, you can see the bun I'm carrying. Yeah, I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, let's just dive straight into the video. But before then, make sure you subscribe, share to your loved ones, comment. Okay, if you've not joined our family, join our family. You have a good time. Thank you. So to achieve a better sleek bun, you have to make sure that your hair is relaxed for contest, or if you have the strength of going through using a straightener to straighten your hair before then, you can do it. And then another thing is make sure that your hair is down. Okay, you're going to make it down a little bit so that the gel can relax. Right? Don't need to do too much. Then we're going to use our comb to get the center of my hair. Cut out this side. Same thing the other side. After sectioning it into 3 parts, okay, I'm going to pack the back very tight and pack well. Pack using this rubber band. Now we'll start with our gel. This is what I'm using, Penthouse. Okay, you have to be generous with your application. You finish, you buy another one. To apply, you use your brush. We're going to start with the front. We pack it. This point, you have to that we've packed everything, use our rubber band to band it very well. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to start applying my gel again towards this side. Be generous with your application if you want to achieve a better result. Sorry. The other side. I'm going to use my brush and lay it properly. And here is the final look, guys. I hope you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your loved ones, comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye.